I'm going to show you how you can use AppMap with GitHub Copilot to help you architect a new feature. In Copilot, we can use the at workspace functionality to ask how to implement a specific feature to this Django shopping site page. Let's take a closer look at this answer. You'll see here, it wants you to add a package to your application, and it wants you to create a new file to handle the CAPTCHA process, and that you're going to update the registration page in this specific area. For example, they want you to implement this in the Oscar views.py file. Let's just search for that file. Very quickly, you're going to see the problem here. There are many views.py files, and I'm not sure which one I need to add this into. Copilot doesn't have knowledge about how my application works at runtime, but AppMap Navie does. Navie is an AI-powered software architect that can plan this implementation of a new feature. So when we ask Navie to plan this implementation, it will generate a detailed plan using the context about how my code works using AppMap data, as well as context from code snippets in my application. We can use Copilot to help us automatically complete code in my code base. I can select on this block of code to implement one of the features once I'm okay with this plan. So here I can just select on this particular set of code that the plan is referencing, and now I can just tell Copilot to add that specific feature. I can do this within Copilot, or I could have Navie similarly generate this code for me. So once you've completed editing all of your files, we can now include a diff of these code changes as part of the context into AppMap Navie. And then we can tell Navie to review the code changes and compare it to the plan that was originally created. And you'll see real quickly that the Navie AI architect was able to validate that the code changes aligned with the original plan that was created.